item Voipa Yati Kimanjon ministers, MLAs, parliamentarians, or officers, or Kimang community laga leaders, Timabo laga, or Osho laga, Tor laga, Kiman Jama Kuri ase, itu ama brother led MC Kunyak, itu logo amahan Thai family laga sorrow, grief, tearing itu share kurbo kani amahan jama kura ami milai kana amahan jama kura sab to Thai family logo itu sharing kurbo kani aha अपना हम कभी सब के खुशी पावले तो जाने ते खुशी पा जाने दिया से वॉकिंग तो पुष्टि तंगुरा से itu वॉकिंग पुष्टि लगा से ama let MC konyak to Christian TV konyak te tatibra olaise 1974 de election first tonsang monde lagaise itu akete huanai itu time te khali watching pusti laga tinjun emale olaise watching kan sunchi laga tujuan inaga olaise tai khang charjon ikilogo olaise itia live thaka amakhan logo itia khota gurgena chaise brother en chingwang konyak tai watching te pi inyai konyak tigit te wan pen konyak phom ching te let hendok konyak ti hok te itu inaga lagai dise moi bhabi thake je itu watching to amar pusti bhabi tangu ase naki inu bhabi ol itu damte sob te inaga laga to Little PC blessing dia Christian TV amar konyak te tati watching ba Bible school khori kana Christian TV ahi jaise tati participate to Nico se initiate kura to amar our brothers led Reverend khan kiman aise pastor khan kiman aise tai khan ba ekaise aniti se itia ami PC bhavna kuri thaki amakhan logo study kuri lebi nokungchi itia amakhan logo leader phal watching posti laga olaise baba sangyu itu interim party te tai watching posti laga MLA thakise interim member thakise itu bichite watching posti laga hi hentok watching posti laga hi one pen itu tension nai aro itu bichite moi laga bhai yolo to chi hulibi bhal gam kuri ahebo kunyak kani particular eastern kani aro Nagaland kani inaga pishi mon tamor hoi thakise taibi chai jaise aji MC kunyak moi tai official thagadam tebi lokpai moi do senior leader khan laga khota loi kinaga asana inaga bi lokpai to advice loi kena kiu lebi kinaga solaibo chat kinaga solaibo state kinaga solaibo department bi kinaga solaibo tai logo inaga khota kuri kena inaga thaki holebi ati chai se itia amahan laga advisor geology mining tota taipi watching posti lagai ase pangchun to chai se itia Jawan ekta cengang konyak itia tai advisor ase itu bi working pusti laga ase moi laga request ekta ateng teng ba ma to working chungoi balanda anyo working landa soksan balan soksan yulan tu atau ipel ni meng bu yupu macam kai hayang hangi ai hadau tei tu yang tu working ching so working way balan tini chango nang ke nga tai tu tu kai me nuan hadau ching way balan tu angaulan hadau message haki shon kai nangaja nokpu nangaja tu kai me hang ki bu si tei nang ke sa ayi mongo bu ite cenda thaka my brother en chingwang konyak working kan sim silaga tai ita tai tu siong pusti laga se holibi kan sim situ iki working pusti siong pusti laga tai inaga olai di gana itia tai cenda ase aro itia pi inyai konyak tai kongan pusti laga ase cenda ase working laga di trekan tu sa pusti ba tingjen tu alive ta ase tu junto pang junto starting pi political career de tati brahi start kurise GP amar brother elder brother inaga jaya se itia amahan itu bhabna kuriase mondok pabole itu share kuribo gane amahan chama kurise pisi time nolo to biodata to pura puri gana amahan sa janise inlo namde আমি একটা মেসেজ পড়ি কেনা ছাড়ি দিব এইটো আপনার জমা করা খান ওচৰতে মই এইটো পঢ়ি কেনা দেখাই দি আছে Eastern Nagaland Legislatures Union Kohima Nagaland dated 16 June 2024 Controlling message the Eastern Nagaland Legislatures Union in law is pain and shock to learn the sudden demise of Sri M. Chinge Konyak, former minister in charge of forest, environment, ecology, and wildlife excise in Nagaland government. Late MC Konyak was a political steward, enthusiastic and passionate leader who served the society in different capacities. He was a selfless person who always worked for the welfare of the people, especially for those from the marginalized section. His service and dedication to the people were exemplary, and his legacy of commitment and integrity will continue to inspire. It is indeed a great loss for the Naga society in general and the entire Eastern communities in particular. Therefore, let us celebrate his life by remembering his noble contributions to our society. On this day of sorrow, the entire in-law family conveys our heartfelt condolence, and it is prayed that God Almighty will grant strength and courage to the bereaved family to bear this irreparable loss. May the departed soul rest in eternal peace. In law, San Paimin. Thank you.